So, hello everyone. On our last video, we learned how to attach our UTP cable onto our modular box. So, in this video, we're going to try or we're going to learn how to attach the other end onto our patch panel. Okay, so now you have our UTP cable here and you also have our patch panel here. So all we need to do is to strip this UTP cable so that we can start. So there, as you can see, so let me cut first this annoying wire here, because you're not going to use that. So now you have here our wires with colors. What we need to do is to arrange them first, because in attaching the UTP cable in our patch panel, we're going to follow a certain color code too. So in attaching this one, so as you can see, this patch panel has 6 ports. So the color pattern we need to follow is this one. As you can see, it is brown. Since we are going to use T568B, we're going to follow that color pattern, which is brown, white, brown, then green, white, green, then orange, white, orange, then blue, white, blue. So good. So this is looking good, huh? So we're going to attach it. First is the brown, white, brown, and green, white, green, and orange, white, orange, then blue, white, blue. Now we're going to use our patching tool again. I mean alternative patching tool, since in my case I don't have the actual patching tool. So we're going to simply patch it here inside. as you can see, we have our excess wires here. You can cut this excess wire with the actual patching tool because it has a patching tool that can cut the excess wires. But in my case, since I don't have the actual patching tool, I might use other way to cut these excess wires. But for now, I'm going to leave it like that, just to be safe. So as you can see,